Welcome to the training series of this application. Today we're going to learn how to create an account and sign into an account. As you can see, I have a username or email and a password to sign in. If you haven't created an account, you'll need to do so now. There is a Create New Account button on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Click on that. Here you have the following information that you need to sign up: username, password, email and phone number. The username is unique to you. The password needs to have 8 characters in it, a capital letter included, a number and a symbol. The email address is your email address that you would like to use, and the phone number is your obviously phone number, but you don't need to put that in if you do not wish to. Once you fill out those fields, press the sign up button. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Put the confirmation code into the field here on the pop-up screen and you're set to go. Please note you can use your username or your email address to sign into the account. So I've signed in, and there you have it. On the bottom left hand side of the screen there's a sign out button. If you press the button, it will sign you out. You also have forgot your password option. If you have forgotten your password, please click on that, and you need to type in your username or email address, and an email will be sent to the address you provided and you can reset your password.